Freelancer. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online. This job is for people who are independent, disciplined and highly motivated, as you need to look for clients and plan your own working hours. The catalog of professions where you can work as a freelancer is currently expanding, but still the most popular are graphics, copywriter, translator, journalist, representative of the IT industry, web designer, photographer, psychologist. A prerequisite for a freelancer is to have in-depth knowledge and practical skills in the chosen field. There are many sites online that specialize in freelance services. Freelancers' earnings are impressive. They can get up to 2 to 3 average salaries for completing a task. 2. Own website. Having your own website makes it much easier to make money online. Create a blog or website on a topic of interest to you, and start publishing articles there 3 to 4 times a week. After a while you will have its own audience of regular readers. At this point, the best time to monetize the site. You should start with Google AdSense. Google AdSense. Google's tools allow you to quickly and easily show relevant, unobtrusive advertising on your site. For each view or click from your site, the company will charge and pay you money. And because advertising is closely tied to what users are looking for on your site, it allows you to make a profit and enrich the content on the page at the same time. Signing up for this system is pretty easy. All you have to do is enter your personal information, site name and bank account number. The payment of money earned from advertising occurs when earnings from clicks reach $100. Usually this amount is accumulated within a month. The next step is to find out which companies and products you can partner with to make money through affiliate programs. If you can create content on your site that is so useful to readers that people who are looking for a product will buy it from the page you link to, you'll get a percentage of each sale. Read about how much you can earn from your own blog and online store at liveturing.org. 3. Trading the stock market. A good way to earn and multiply money is to play in the stock market. If you choose this way, you should act with caution, because according to statistics only 30% of traders are able to trade in the plus for a long time. To choose this way, firstly, be sure to take free training at a reliable forex broker. Secondly, it is worth investing small amounts or choose companies that offer no deposit forex bonus with withdrawal of profit. Third, do not neglect to use indicators for technical analysis of the market, such as the RSI indicator. It will help you choose the ideal moment to open a trade and reduce the risk of losing your deposit. To master the profession of a trader, it is important to learn patience, and to observe the rules of money management when calculating the lot and the maximum level of drawdown. For online training there are a number of areas that people want to learn remotely. Some of the most popular ones include marketing, Google and social media advertising, website and online store creation, design and graphics, relationships and negotiation, weight loss and sports, etc. If you master one of these and can pass on your knowledge, you'll find lots of people willing to pay you. You can start with simple consultations and advertising on internet portals and groups in social networks. A big plus is that all you need for this type of work, besides knowledge and time, is a computer, a program through which you communicate, and a headset. So you can start earning online quite quickly. You can add other products to your courses, such as ebooks that further summarize your knowledge of the topic of study. This is a great form of passive income. 5. Become a virtual assistant. If organizing things is a natural part of your life, you can make money online by helping people run things as a virtual assistant. In the age of mobility and the internet, the demand for remote assistance grows every year. A virtual assistant is involved in many activities, from coordinating meetings and appointments to buying plane tickets and checking email. It's a fairly challenging but fulfilling job that can help you make useful contacts, add a nice element to your work resume and, of course, earn extra money online from the comfort of their home. These were 5 popular ways to make money online that can help you take back control of your life and start enjoying every day you live.